I-Team 8, Huntington University is asking a federal judge to dismiss the sex abuse and doping lawsuit involving a former coach at the school. The university filed a new motion making the request to dismiss the lawsuit filed by two former athletes. Our I-Team 8 has been following the story since it first broke. Both Hannah Stoffel and Emma Wilson were part of the cross-country team in 2020. In their suit, they allege that the university failed to protect them from a predatory coach and violated their Title IX rights. Huntington parted ways with that coach, Nick Johnson, after he was arrested in 2020. Now, Huntington had this to say in its new motion. Despite making hundreds of detailed allegations in their complaint, the plaintiffs have utterly failed to allege within their narrative the fundamental and necessary facts sufficient to plausibly plead a Title IX violation. The university also requests in the new motion for the case to be moved to Indiana State Court.